Welcome back. Alert and educated villagers of Lolian and all the educationists of Kankon Taluka have unanimously supported the proposed educational project of National Institute of Technology. They have now formed Lolian Shikshan Vikas Parishad to take ahead the project since a Gram Sabha convened to discuss the project could not take a decision due to chaos created by a few miscreants.
The meeting held at Mashain on proposed NIT resolved to support NIT project at Lolian and have also resolved to support the project during the Gram Sabha to be held on this issue. The Gram Sabha convened by Lolian Panchayat on 18 December had not allowed Director of Technical Education and NIT officials even to explain what the project is about. In retaliation, the educationists took initiative by forming Shikshan Parishad under the chairmanship of veteran educationist and freedom fighter Gopal Prabhu alias Pandari Master. Officials at this meeting explained the project. They also denied the allegations that any houses would be demolished to set up NIT.
NIT म्हणजे इंडस्ट्री न्ही, NIT म्हणजे नायलॉन 66 न्ही. जर NIT झाली जाल्यार NIT उदक दिवप would be a issue. आणि ते जर उदक दितलो, government will have to augment the water resources. And central government will come forward to give whatever type of the support which is required. कोणाची, on the contrary, there will be a benefit. उदकाचो, हाजो, लायटीचो, there will be no shortage.
एक लँड फॉर दिस पर्पज एक्वायर केली आणि ती मागीर दुसरी पर्पजा खातीर वापरली अशें जावपाक चान्सीस खूब कमी आसा. मागीर त्या घर मोडपाची गरज पसून पडची ना, जागो खूब आसा. मागीर जागो जवळ जवळ 30 लाख कितें तरी आसा, 30 काय 40 लाख आसा. तातूंत भितर 12 लाख आनी तो 12 लाख सारको चौकोणीच आसपा जाय, रेक्टेंगुलरच आसपा जाय, सर्क्युलरच आसपा जाय अशें कांयच कंडिशन ना. जी घरां आसा ती कुशीन काडून दवरून त्या प्रमाणे मदलो जागो घेवपाक मेळटा.
Headmasters and principals of several educational institutions as well as educationists and professionals came out in support of the NIT. Lolian Comunidad has also agreed to hand over the required land of 300 acres to set up the prestigious educational project in the village. The meeting was also attended by Lolian Sarpanch Pranali Prabhugaonkar and Lolian Parish Priest Father Aloysius Gonsalves.
आम्ही लोलिया नाका म्हणले म्हणून हो प्रोजेक्ट जावपाचो ना. 5-7 जण मनीस आसा तो उरपा खातीर तांच्या गांवा भितर बिकॉज तांकां खबर आसा की हो प्रोजेक्ट येतकीर तांच्या गांवा भितर डेव्हलपमेंट कितें जातली आनी खरं मोडून हो प्रोजेक्ट जावपाचो ना. आमी 1980 वास्को घर सांबाळपा खातीर राजीव गांधी काळी बावटी दाखयल्ले आनी भितर पडिल्ले आमी वास्कोच्या लोकांची आनी आमी आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांची घर मोडटले.
Lolian Panchayat now needs to take the task ahead of convening a fresh Gram Sabha to take a resolution and take a final decision on the NIT project. A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Borkar.
Most controversial festival, Sunburn 2011, has begun at Kandoli. The 3-day festival, which was supposed to start at 12 in the afternoon, finally began at around 2:30 in the afternoon. Even after all the elaborate traffic arrangements, the road from Kandoli to the venue saw traffic snarls.
Traffic at Kandolim on Tuesday evening had come to a standstill. Have a look at the traffic. Rented vehicles got stuck in a huge crowd. Huge crowd at the Sunburn party venue led to traffic chaos along the road. Organizers described this event as Asia's premier electronic dance music festival. A 3-day festival which is to start at 12 noon finally began at 2:30 in the afternoon. Currently in its 5th year and spread over an area that is double the size than last year, Sunburn has offered a lot more to its fans. Headlining the day 1 lineup, DJs Gabriel and Dresden from San Francisco, who are in India for the first time, played a mind-blowing set. There are 7 main stages where each has a unique character and vibe. The crowd is full of youngsters flocking in from various parts across the country.
Are you ready to jump, go?
Our reporter from Kandolim, Omkar Falari.
Empty shells discharged during target practice by Indian Navy hit many houses at Gavona Carbona on 27 December morning. Residents were in panic as the empty shells, weighing around 200 grams, pierced through their tile rooftops. They narrowly escaped this attack. No offence has been registered, nor any complaint filed by any of the residents.
Residents of Gavona Carmon were taken aback when suddenly empty shells hit their rooftops on Tuesday morning. Indian Navy were having their target practice session in their practice zone at Kirishi. While firing the empty shells on the target, they accidentally hit these houses and even the roads in the locality. The shells hit on the rooftops, leaving the residents petrified.
हांव टीव्ही लायल्यान मातशें बसलोलो थिंगा बसतर रोखडें जापकन म्हज्या हाटल्यान नोळ्यांचे पडले आनी ते बॉल पडले सकयल पडले मागीर हांव चोवपाक म्हाका दिसलो माडा बोंड पडलो म्हूण तो बोंड सारको चोयलो जाल्यार तें पडलें मागीर दुसऱ्या घरान थिंग भितर चोयल्यार थिंगाय थिंगाय नोळ फुटोन बेडीचे पडलो आसले मागीर कितें नोळ फुटलो म्हूण कांय अशें सिरियसनेस जालें ना तेजें आनी मनशाचे पडल्यार मागीर कितें जाता आसलें.
Kolwa police have recovered many of these empty shells. No offence has been registered till now, but Navy officials have assured an inquiry as such an incident has occurred for the first time in last 38 years of Navy practice sessions. A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
India Travel Mart has organized a 3-day international travel and tourism exhibition in Panji. 13 states and 1 international destination, Thailand, have participated in this exhibition. Exhibition is held at Don Bosco in Panji. It will be open till 29th. Manager of India Travel Mart Mukesh Gupta says this is the best way to get tourism brands and information at one place.
इस साल जो हमारे स्टेट हैं वो जो लास्ट ईयर से काफ़ी इंक्रीज हुआ है जो 14 स्टेट हैं इस साल और इंटरनेशनल में अपना टूरिज्म थाईलैंड टूरिज्म हमारा है.
This exhibition is open for public from 27 to 29 December. Various states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Lakshadweep, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand and others are showcasing their tourism brands in this expo. Thailand Tourism is only foreign participant in this expo.
बहुत अच्छा है, इन एटीएम वालों ने बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है, सभी स्टेट के लोग आए हुए हैं और इससे टूरिज्म का बहुत विकास होगा.
And we are here to promote Amazing Thailand to Indian tourists to go to Thailand. I'd like to invite you to come to our stand to get the brochures. We have got different destinations like Bangkok, Pattaya, and apart from that, we also have Phuket, Koh Samui, Krabi, Kanchanaburi, and some other destinations.
हम टूरिज्म बोर्ड से बात करके उनकी वो पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में जाने की प्लानिंग करते हैं. उससे काफ़ी अवेयरनेस आती है टूरिस्ट में, उनको टूरिज्म ऑफिशियल से डायरेक्ट बात करने का मौका मिलता है और वो अपना टूर प्लान कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से विजिट करने वाले जो लोग हैं उनको और पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले स्टेट टूरिज्म बोर्ड को दोनों को वाकई में बहुत फ़ायदा होता है.
यूपी में तो सभी कुछ है, पहाड़ छोड़ के जो भी आप देखना चाहें देख सकते हैं. आगरा, फतेहपुर सीकरी, मथुरा, वृंदावन, वाराणसी, बुद्धिस्ट सर्किट, कुशीनगर, श्रावस्ती वगैरह वगैरह.
A reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.